Title: Government, the architect of society. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word government. Government is the system or organization responsible for creating and enforcing laws, regulations, and policies within a country or region. It's a term that signifies the foundation upon which society is built. Pronunciation. Pronouncing government is simple, ɡەvərnmənt, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, a stable and just government plays a crucial role in maintaining law and order, protecting citizens, and fostering economic growth. Importance. Government is an essential part of society, providing structure, security, and public services, making it a cornerstone of civilization. Conclusion. In summary, government is a word that represents the organization and system that shapes the lives and well-being of citizens in a country. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the role of government in creating a functional and orderly society.